Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Today I'm going to show you two products from Amkette. First is this Bluetooth speaker, which is the Boomer FX, and second is this smartphone car mount. Both the products are must-have gadgets, especially on a road trip. So let's do the unboxing and find out more about them. So first, we will be unboxing the smartphone car mount. So here is the box. In the front of the box, we have the product picture with the model name on the top. You get the free iGrip drive assist tab with this holder. And here you can see some features such as multi-directional arm, it's adjustable, one-touch lock mechanism, and you get 360 degrees rotation. And here you have the detailed info about the device and its content. So let's open the box and see the content now. So first we get the user guide, and then we get this Amkette iGrip, which is the drive assist companion app info. So you get three things. Here is the mobile holder, and the second is the base, which has the suction cup, and then we get the dashboard pad. So here is the smartphone holder, and the first thing I noticed that it's definitely feel well built. You have the locking side arms here, and there is also this easy one touch button. And as soon as you put your phone and push it little bit, the arms snap back and give a nice grip to your phone. And to release the phone, you have these release bars. There is also a movable feet here which will give support to your phone. And at the back you have this locking mechanism. The base of the holder connects here, and then you can adjust the arm, and there is also a knob by which you can adjust the height. At the bottom you have this gel-based suction cup and also a locking lever. This holder supports 360 degrees movement of your phone, which will allow you to adjust the phone according to your choice. One thing is sure, that the quality of the product is good, and it will definitely hold the phone in place while driving on those bumpy roads. This phone holder is one of the best premium car mounts I have seen and tested. And if you want a sturdy, robust holder for your phone, then this is the car mount for you. Next we have is this Bluetooth speaker from Amkette, and it's the Boomer FX. In the front of the box we have the picture of the product with the features such as 12 watt output, 16 hours battery, super bass ready, and you can also use the speaker as a power bank. And here we have the technical specifications of the speaker. So let's open it and see the content now. In the box we get the warranty card, and here is the speaker itself. We will look at the speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user guide, a micro USB charging cable, and the aux cable. Now let's see the speaker closely. This speaker feels pretty solid, and the build quality is really good. There are two 6-watt speakers in it, and you also have this base radiator at the bottom. Talking about the ports and buttons, here you have the micro USB charging port, aux port, power button, and then next to it you get the USB port along with the micro SD card slot. On the top you have the mode button, and then the other buttons to control volume and change sound tracks. Now let's turn on the speaker and pair it with our phone. And here it is paired. Now let's test the sound quality. I must say that the sound quality is really good. The speaker packs a serious punch, and it's insanely loud for its size. You get the good sound clarity even at full volume, and the bass is definitely very good. So in terms of sound, I really like it and happy with the performance. There is one more feature, that this speaker can also work as a power bank. There is a 4000 mAh battery in it, which can charge any phone using the USB port at the back. And here you can see it's charging my phone. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amkette car smartphone holder and the Boomer FX Bluetooth speaker. So that's all in this video. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.